Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co daily analysis for the S&P 500 for the trading day ending Tuesday, February 18th, 2014. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today, a candle that continues to make another higher high and a higher low. The buyers have closed with control by closing up towards the high, and we've seen the sellers lose commitment as evidenced by the largest shadow on the bottom of this candle. A worry here for the continuation of this trend is the small body, and as the trend has continued over the past 3 days, we've continually seen the size of the white body decrease, and now we have a very small body, suggesting that the buyers have only made a very small amount of net bullish progress on the day between the open and the close, and it means that as each day has continued, they've made less and less net momentum, suggesting a possibility of a change of trend. Now, this is a type of hanging man pattern, not copybook, but pretty much the same sentiment, with this small body at the end of a substantial first time frame uptrend and a larger shadow on the bottom, and it does suggest a possibility of a change of trend. So we will be looking for confirmation with a lower high and a lower low. Now, the market has found resistance at the top of this highlighted zone of support and resistance from the recent past, and the market is closed just around that area, around 1840, so the market will need to trade up through there. Above there, the all-time high at 1850 may come into play. This major high is very important, and it doesn't seem as though the market is building momentum with this small white body candle to test that level, but there is still a possibility. The trend hasn't changed officially. The trend is still up. The buyers are in control, so there is potential for the market to trade up to that high. In terms of the Fibonacci extension, not a lot going on there. We have this very substantial first time frame uptrend. We've traded through the 261.8% level quite some time ago, about a week or so ago, in a very bullish manner, suggesting there is potential for the market to trade up to 423.6% level. So if we do trade through the major high all in one first time frame uptrend, that gives us a target that we should be looking for around 1857. Now, in terms of Ichimoku, a bullish market in all three timeframes, so we're trading above the cloud now. We've seen the breakout above the cloud, and as you recall, we want follow through. We saw some good, strong bullish action after the breakout, confirming the breakout, but now we're seeing a weakening in the market in terms of net momentum from the buyers, and we are approaching that major high, and we can see the influence of that coming into play. So taking a long trade up here, probably not a good probability trade. Your potential payoff was up to around this high, and it was a possibility to take that trade, but you might want to look at taking some profits up around that area. In terms of the Kijun-sen, we're trading above that and well above it, so a bullish market in the medium term time frame. The Kijun-sen is pointing flat still, so potential for price action to retrace back towards that flat Kijun-sen, so that makes the hanging man type pattern even more important. And we're also trading up above the Tenkan-sen, the green line here, so bullish in the fast term time frame. The one worrying thing here is the Chikou span is within the corresponding price action, so it's not confirming the bullishness that we're seeing in all three time frames. It's suggesting a neutral market, but any further price appreciation from this market will see that Chikou span break out above the corresponding price action over the next few days, giving us confirmation, but at the moment it's not confirming, so just raising some doubt and suggesting that there is that potential for the change of trend. So really, basically, for tomorrow's trading, we do need to be watching the high of this zone around the 1840 level and the high of the current candle, but also be on the lookout for a potential change of trend. There is a possibility of it, but probably more likely that the market may continue trading up and test to the all-time high.